Good morning, boys and girls. I will be reading days 4 through 5 of week 13, 180 days of reading. It's titled, Get Moving. You move every day. Every time you sit down, walk, ride a bike, or eat food, you are moving. You even move while you are sitting in a chair. What gets you moving keeps you moving and helps you to move the way you want to move. One force that helps you move is gravity. Gravity pulls objects toward each other, and so gravity pulls you toward Earth. Why? Earth is bigger and heavier than you are, so you're pulled by Earth's gravity. How does that help you? When you take a step, gravity pulls your foot. That pulling helps you put your foot down. Then you can move your other foot. When you sit down, gravity keeps you stationary in your seat. Do you like to play baseball? Gravity makes the baseball fall after it is hit. Then, as gravity pulls the ball toward the ground, you can catch the ball. Friction also helps you move. Friction happens when two objects rub against each other. How does friction help you move? When you walk, friction keeps your feet from slipping. When you hold a pencil, friction helps keep it in your hand. When you eat, friction helps you to chew your food, and friction makes the brakes on your bike work too. Inertia also helps you. Inertia is a sort of rule. It tells us two things. Things that are in motion will remain in motion until something stops it, and things that are at rest will stay at rest unless something moves them. How do these two things help you? When you ride your bike, it will keep going until you stop it. And when you sit down to read, you will stay where you are until you are ready to move. The next time you move, think about gravity. Think about friction. Think about inertia. All of them help you get you where you want to go. Number 1, the title and photograph tell the reader that this text will be about A, moving out of town, B, moving your body, C, how to best move boxes, D, why moving is a bad idea. Number 2, a reader would most likely read this to A, be entertained by a fictional story, B, be persuaded to do something, C, be informed about a new topic, D, pass the time. Number 3, when you take a step, what pulls your foot toward gravity, toward Earth? Is it A, friction, B, gravity, C, a bike, or D, sitting? Number 4, what is the topic sentence of the second paragraph? Is it A, then as gravity pulls the ball toward the ground, you can catch the ball? Is it B, one force that helps you move is gravity? Letter C, do you like to play baseball? Or is it D, Earth is bigger and heavier than you are, so you are pulled by Earth's gravity? Number 5, people who like blank will probably like this text. Is it A, science, B, technology, C, mathematics, or D, sports? People who like blank will probably like this text. And number 6, which concept is not discussed in this text? Is it A, gravity, B, inertia, C, tension, or D, friction? Which concept is not discussed in this text? That is it for day 4. And then for day 5, all you will do is on the back, you will write a story. It says, imagine that gravity does not exist. What do you think it would be like to walk without gravity?